Hi children, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw a Spongebob. Let's start. Take a scale and draw a straight line like this. Again, leaving some gap at the top, draw again a big line and join them slantingly. And we have got a bucket shape now. And now draw that using a sketch. At the top, draw a zigzag curve like this. At the top of that line, we have draw like this. Okay, and now inside that, at the center, draw a small oval shape like this, and at the left corner draw a small circle like this, and inside that again a circle, and inside the small circle again keep a dot at the corner, and at the top draw a small line and darken it. Again similarly on the right side, again a circle, again inside a small circle, and keep a dot at the center. Coming to the bottom part, draw like a heart shape like this. At the top, a small semicircle, and color that semicircle with black. Again another layer at the top, and now we have finished the face part. At the center, neck part, draw like this. Draw a diamond shape like this, and a straight line at the bottom, and join that using a straight line at the top. And now we have got a triangle shape, and inside we have drawn a diamond shape. At both the center corner, draw a straight line on both the sides, and inside that draw a small lines, and again at the bottom draw a small box on both the sides, and on each box down part draw a 2 layers of slanting lines, and a leg part at the bottom on both the sides like this. Draw simply a zigzag arch and color it with black. And now at the left corner, draw like a wire shape, and go out. And this is a hand and fingers. And now draw similarly on the other side, and that is right side too. Fingers and hand. And thus we have finished drawn. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.